I'm Anil Kumar. We are doing the review on trigonometric and exponential functions. The question here is, a particle moves along a line so that at time t, its position is s of t equals to 8 sine 2t. For what values of t does the particle change direction? What is particle's maximum velocity and what is particle's maximum acceleration? Now, when will the particle change direction? Particle will change direction when at that time the velocity has to be 0, right? So basically we are given the function s of t as equals to 8 sine 2t. Let's find its derivative. That will give us the velocity, right? So velocity is derivative of this function with respect to time. So 8 times 2, 16 cos t will become the derivative. Now assuming that t is greater than equal to 0, right, we can find different values. So this velocity is going to be 0. Changing direction means velocity being 0. So velocity will be equal to 0. That means 16 cos t should be equal to 0. Now cos is 0 at which points? So what you can do is you can just sketch the cosine function here. That is kind of better. So cos is 0 at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, for example. So in general, we say in this case t is equals to 2n plus 1, pi by 2, right? So odd multiples of pi, it is 0, correct? So those are the odd multiples when it is going to be 0. So those are the turning points. So for what values of t does the particle change directions? So these are the values of t. Okay, 2t, Oh, it was 2t. Oh, let me write 2t, sorry. So 2t equals to, 2t is equals to this, right? So 2t has to be this, and therefore this implies that t should be equals to 2n plus 1 times pi by 4, right? So that was a mistake. Okay, let me rewrite. 16 cos 2t, right? Okay. So those are the points. Okay. Now the second part is, what is particle's maximum velocity? So to find the maximum velocity, we can look at the equation. So the equation is v of t equals to 16 cos of 2t, right? Cosine can be maximum 1. Therefore, the maximum velocity is 16, right? So the maximum velocity is 16. We're not given units, so we'll write maximum velocity equals to 16, right? Okay, that's the amplitude kind of thing. What is particle's maximum acceleration? So let's find the derivative of velocity to get acceleration. 2 times 16 is 32. Cos becomes, sine of 2t with a negative sign, right? So the maximum acceleration is going to be 32, right? That is the amplitude of acceleration. So maximum acceleration equals to 32. So you notice in trigonometric functions that the displacement maximum is 8, velocity is 16, twice that, because the function is sine 2t, right? It kind of doubles up, as you've seen in this particular case. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. All the best.